Welcome to CoSpaces EDU. Let's look at the interface. The side menu lets you navigate the platform. The top menu lets you perform actions. This is where the spaces you create will appear. There's a welcome space for you to check out. When you're ready to create your first space, click Create Space. You'll find yourself in front of a large black canvas with a grid. The bottom menu lets you add content to your scene. The top menu offers additional features like coding, sharing, and play, of course. Click here to view and organize the different scenes in your space. The camera lets you define from which perspective your scene should be explored later on. Let's start by choosing an environment. Select a preset environment or import a 360-degree image. Let's then open the library to add objects to the scene. Building blocks let you model anything in 3D. But let's add a character to our story first. Pick your favorite one and drag and drop it into the space. Use the rotation tool to turn the character and place it however you want. Click and hold to elevate your object and define its position. Click and hold to change the size of your object. You can of course change this anytime. Let's add more objects. You will find all sorts of cool objects, animals, and unique characters here. Simply drag and drop the object you'd like to use into your space. Double-click or right-click to edit it. You can choose animations for your objects. For example, let's make this parrot fly. Give a name to your object and activate Blockly to code this object. When you're ready to start coding, click Code to open the coding interface. You can use different types of coding blocks to create actions and animations. Let's use code to make our parrot fly in the sky. We need a transition block to define in which direction and how fast it will move. We've set the flying animation before, so our parrot will move by flying. Right now, we just have one flying parrot, but can you imagine all the other possibilities? See how the space we created is now here? Once your space is ready, you can even explore it in VR. Open your space in the CoSpaces EDU app on your smartphone, plug your phone into a VR viewer, and step into a new dimension.